people carve pumpkins for Halloween. I clean up formulas. So today, let's brew something a little less scary than nested ifs. You know what I mean, the if kind of statements. Here is my Halloween readiness tracker. Each person earns a score based on whether they've gotten a costume, candy, and Halloween spirit. The higher the score, the more Halloween ready they are. So here you can see I have a scoring column. For every yes, they get a point. So the highest score you can get is a 3. Now that I've calculated scores, I want to do something fun to show me their Halloween readiness. In this cell here under Halloween Ready, I have a nested if statement. So you can see if the score is 3, they're wickedly ready. If the score is 2, they're a pumpkin in progress, and so on. This is the old way of doing it, or how many people do it. But that's not exactly pretty, especially when you have lots and lots of items. Here I have the same table with a switch function. Here you can see it's just a little bit cleaner where we only have to identify the score column at the beginning, and then we can start to label each score with whatever label we want to give it. And when you stack them like this in a formula bar, it becomes much easier and simpler to write out. Do you see the difference? There are no tangled ifs, just clear pairs of values and results. It's readable, editable, and it doesn't make you want to scream. So, whether you're brewing up formulas for work or just tracking Halloween spirit, don't let your spreadsheets haunt you. Use Switch instead. And if you are generally haunted by your spreadsheets, that's when you need to give me a call and we'll accelerate your business. Happy Halloween, everyone.